Hello and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to show you how to make a tiny planet with a photo. So this is if you already have Gimp installed. If not, the link to install Gimp will be in the description. So first thing we're going to have to do is drag in our photo. So you just find it and drag it in. The link to download this photo will be in the description because it's a good photo. So once you've got your photo, you're then going to want to right click on it in layers and add alpha channel. This just means if we remove any of the background, it is transparent instead of solid white. Now we want to go to filters, distort, and then we want to go to polar coordinates. What this does is it makes it into this circle shape, but as you can see it doesn't really look right because it needs to be reversed. So you want to make sure the circle depth in percentage is set to 100%, offset angle is 0, map backwards and map from the top are both deselected, and then it will just give it a second to do that. So just press OK, and there, that is done. The next thing we're going to want to do is grab our Eyedropper Tool. The shortcut for this is O, and we want to select the outer color. So right here, just drop it, the eyedrop by clicking. Then we want to create a new layer, fill with foreground color, OK. And then we're going to drag this layer to the bottom. And then the next thing we're going to want to do is blur in our scene together. So we're going to click on the finger. Make sure you're on the 025 hardness brush, which is the least hardest, which is this one here. So just click on that, and then you can change your side, your hardness, and your force, and then just maybe click around the scene to soften it a bit, and just to make it look less strong. Make sure you're on the right layer though. There we go, just like sort of blend in the clouds together, and just do this until things start to look right. This is just something that will help make it look a bit better, because otherwise you can see the sharp line. We're just blending the clouds a bit, and just sort of makes it look a bit less hard, or less like you've just cut into a circle shape. There we go. Next thing you might want to do is blend some of the background into the photo just by clicking along the border. That's just something you don't have to do. The other thing you can do is by getting a rubber, lowering the size, also make sure it's on the smallest one, lowering the hardness and force, so it's still there but it's not much. And then you can just sort of rub away some of the border. Might need to make it a bit bigger for this to work. And you if you're on the layer, just to sort of make it a bit more transparent and just sort of link it up a bit more. So there you go, just link things slowly up together. It just makes it look a bit nicer. Then when you're done with it and you're happy with everything, you can go to File, Export As, and export it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!